Hi guys, today we're gonna hook up the dash cam in 2018 Q50. So this is a dash cam, and then this is all the wires, and then rear camera, and auxiliary wire for the rear view camera. Okay, so first of all, you have to decide where you want to mounting on, and then this one has a shade parts, so we just trying to get up here, and run the wire through here. Stuck the wire inside of the headlight. You can talk, brother.
Do you want the windows open?
Why? It doesn't matter.
I mean, like if it gets too hot or something.
Yeah, first of all, before we attach it, we're gonna run the wire so we can see the front view first, and then we're gonna attach the camera. Okay, for the front, we're gonna just use the angle parts. Going like this, maybe we can just, without taking this off, we can just run the wire here. Just run the wire first. Okay, just take out the weather strip. You don't have to take all the way up, all the way down. You just unclip it. Stuck the wire inside. And then make sure wire is long enough here. Yeah, this one we're gonna do later. Okay, so power, ground, and ignition supposed to be go down towards the fuse box, and then for the rear view cam goes towards the back.
It's very easy.
Now you want to try?
No.
Yeah, this is the easy part, run the wire, the power. This one I didn't do it, okay? You should scan the carpet. They didn't finish right. Look at all this wire on the top. You see?
I don't see, but it's fine.
I mean, from dealer. So rest of the wire, we can just tighten it down and put it inside, or we can just stuck it in there, everything. You want me to tighten it down or just stuck it in?
Whatever the
You're not gonna see it anyways.
Will it make like noise?
Huh?
Will it make noise?
No.
No?
Up to the pipe. You want to actually put the wire inside here then? Let's see.
Where's it gonna go?
Well,
That thing?
I'll just try to put it on here.
The entire thing will fit in there?
Huh?
The entire thing is going to be able to fit inside?
Yeah. I will try.
Check the camera.
Hey, don't take my face.
Okay.
So next here, it's gonna be a little bit. You can just unscrew this. Okay, so he say he wanna recording while while they're parked. So I just gonna hook up together for the recording when he parks too. And then you have a ground, you can just try to ground it anywhere. Okay, so let me just get that.
Okay. It says the memory was full. Stop recording.
When?
Just now.
And then this one fused anyway, so it doesn't matter which side, but I'm just gonna do the fused side. I mean fused side. And then we're trying to look for the ground, but there is a ground here, but I'm not gonna touch that one because when you unplug it, some might be wrong. So I'm just gonna get the ground from somewhere where I hook up the wire, ignition and constant power. And here, that one is for the ground. And then that one had a cap on it. I'm gonna put a cap on it. Okay. So that's it right there, ground. Yeah, so just install like that, and then back one, and then back view. All set. Thank you for watching.